first I landed in Liverpool. I went upon the spree. While money less I spent it fast, got drunk as drunk could be. And when me money was all gone on liquor and a horse, I made up me mind that I was inclined to go to sea no more. No more, no more, to go to sea no more. I made up me mind that I was inclined to go to sea no more. As I was walking down the street, I met with Angeline. She said, "Come home with me, my lad, and we'll have a cracking time." But when I awoke, it was no joke. I found I was all alone. My silver watch and my money too, and my whole bloody gear was gone. Was gone, was gone. My whole bloody gear was gone. It was when I awoke, it was no joke, for my whole bloody gear was gone. As I was walking down the street, I met Big Rapper Brown. I asked him if he would take me in, and he looked at me with a frown. Said, "Last time you was paid off with me, you chopped up no score. But I'll take your advance and I'll give you the chance to go to sea once more. Once more, once more, to go to sea once more. I'll take your advance and I'll give you the chance to go to sea once more." He sent me aboard of a whaling ship bound for the Arctic seas, where cold wind blows and there's frost and snow, and Jamaica rum would freeze. But worst of all, I had no hard weather gear, for I'd lost all my dunnage ashore. It was then that I wished that I was dead and go to sea no more. No more, no more, to go to sea no more. It was then that I wished that I was dead and go to sea no more. Sometimes we're catching whales, me lads, but mostly we get none. Got 20 food ore in every pile from 5 o'clock in the morn. And when daylight's gone and the night's coming on, we rest upon our oars. And oh boys, you wish that you was dead or snug with the girls ashore. Ashore, ashore, or snug with the girls ashore. Oh boys, you wish that you was dead or snug with the girls ashore. Come all you seafaring lads that listen to me song. When you go a big boat, then boys, make sure you do not go wrong. You take my tip and you come off a trip. Don't go with any horse, but get married instead and have all night in bed and go to sea no more. No more, no more, to go to sea no more. Get married instead and